Alright guys, we're in good shape. Let me cut this fan down a little bit. Cut these freaking noisy ass wipers off. Store and drive. Yeah, oh man, this brings back memories. Uh-oh. There it goes. Like I said, I bought one of these new in 2010. Great little cars. I mean, they're peppy, very nimble, and just a terrific around town car. Now, I did use mine to commute on the interstate, and it will do that too. I would say in the freeway scheme of things, it didn't have a problem with like 80, 85, 90. It'd go as fast as you wanted to go. It's just that with it being kind of small and hatchback, but it having tall sides, and the car stands a little tall, it was, it kind of buffeted around a little bit. It was susceptible to crosswinds. So sometimes driving it on the interstate was not any fun. But plenty of pep. I mean, plenty of pep. Little noisy, but she is still cold. And yeah, people give me shit about, they comment, oh, revving a cold engine, blah, 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 blah. Hey, these are auction cars. They're out here to be driven. I'm going to drive it. Dude, it runs perfect. God, it runs just perfect. And it should, only 76,000 miles. And this little engine is a timing chain engine. So kudos to Nissan for that back in 2011. 10, 9, 8. Let's see, these came out in 7, I believe, was the first year in the States. And I mean, yeah, these things are great. There's the Audi Q8. It's going to go through today. Today is Audi Volkswagen Day. So we will see a shit ton of Audis and Volkswagens. But I don't see the damn things parked out here. They've got them tucked away somewhere. Ah, there they are. Man, they got them front line. Front line. All right, like, comment, subscribe. Peace.